This is Aviv, a subscriber I met in London to help him step out of his comfort zone and show you that you can talk to anyone. You're watching the 32nd episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Enjoy.
Hi, I thought you were really pretty and I just wanted to say hello. Thank you so much for speaking to me.
Today I'm with Habib.
I'm Habib, I'm 22. I just graduated from uni doing genetics. I think for me I've always struggled with dating and being honest about, just kind of I think honestly is being a nice guy kind of thing. Okay. I think I struggled with that, so I just want to be more authentic and just be real with people and I want to improve my dating life. Being really honest, I'd probably say is low self-esteem and thinking that, I don't look good enough, or right now maybe I'm a bit too overweight, or I have to lose weight and then do it, or maybe I go up to her and she's going to perceive that really badly, or I'm going to be like a creep,
Okay.
So...
When's the last time you went on a date?
It's been since I broke up with my ex, to be honest.
How long ago was that?
So I just finished uni, third year, so that was, started dating first or second year, so maybe 2 years.
That was 2 years ago. Okay.
So I'm nervous about not having shit to say. I'm nervous about I don't know, to be honest. I'm excited though. I'm excited about just facing the whole fear and shit, and working with you and just growing. I want to grow. You know what I mean? I'm ready to grow. And maybe the thing I'm scared about is maybe not making the most out of this opportunity, and being letting fear hold me back. So I really want to push that.
Any last words before we start?
Let's do this, man. Let's do this. I'm excited.
Okay.
Hey, how are you? How are you finding it? No, I just thought you were pretty and I just wanted to say hi.
Oh, hi. I'm
How's, are you cycling today? Or?
Yeah, I'm cycling.
Yeah. What parts have you cycled?
Well, actually, I'm waiting for my boyfriend because I've lost him.
Okay,
we're traveling. And
nice.
I was following his bike and it's so busy. And then, he went off. And so I'm just waiting.
Have you seen, there was a really cool performance earlier.
It looks cool.
Yeah, it's some old man juggling and...
Yeah, it looks cool.
Yeah. But I'll leave you to it. But I hope you have a nice day.
That's good that you went.
Thank you, man.
Interaction. So how did that feel for you?
I think for me, I was quite nervous. But once I got there, my mind went kind of blank. But I'm just kind of happy I got the first interaction out of the way. Hey, how's your day going? I'm assuming you don't want to talk. Okay. All right, sure, yeah. Have a nice day.
When you say to someone, hey, how are you doing?
Yeah.
The problem is that you're not communicating your intention. The person doesn't know what you want.
Yeah.
Once you reveal your intention, whether the person is interested or not, they can trust you.
Hey, sorry for scaring you. Sorry.
Miles away then.
Sorry, I just noticed your jacket and I thought it was really cool.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, that's okay. Japan?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. What made you go to Japan?
Oh, I didn't. My husband went without me on tour, so...
Okay, no, that sucks. How's your day going anyway?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah?
How about you?
Yeah, not bad. It's my first time in Covent Garden.
Oh, really?
So, I'm just seeing loads of people, and so I just graduated uni recently. So I'm just coming over here and just trying to meet new people and say hello and stuff.
Oh, have you moved to London?
So I grew up in London most of my life. So I'm trying to think about how to ask you, but listen, thank you so much for speaking to me. And
Nice to meet you.
yeah, no, nice to meet you. No, thank you so much, and I hope you have a nice day. And keep busting out. It was my first actual conversation. It felt nerve-wracking, to be honest. We've been walking together, and a part of me has just been kind of giving up a little bit on even saying that people are pretty and wanting to approach. Really, that felt good. And it just feels good to express and have a conversation.
Try to ask people about also, things that are relevant to the moment you're in.
Okay.
Usually people, when they're anxious, they forget about the present moment, and then they start asking all sorts of random questions
what's your hobbies?
What do you do? What are your hobbies? What do you do for fun? It's what are you talking about? But anyway, I thought that was cool.
Hey guys, how are you? Sorry to interrupt you, but I just thought you're really pretty. I just wanted to say hello. Yeah. Have you guys gone to the museum?
We went to an exhibition, but not this one.
Okay, nice. What exhibition did you go to? Strobe lights.
I don't know if you've seen it on Instagram.
I haven't seen it. Is it kind of like a dancing kind of thing, or is it just like art?
Just like just art. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm like planning to go to the. I want to go to the Science Museum. What's the museum there?
It's a National Gallery.
National Gallery. Okay. Alright, cool.
You should go. It's free.
Yeah. No, I definitely want to check that out. So like, what brought you guys to London? Are you guys like from London originally, or? Sorry,
we're just in the middle.
That's completely cool. That's completely cool. No, I don't want to interrupt you guys. I just want to say hello, but that's completely cool. But have a nice day.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Enjoy the gallery.
Yeah, thank you so much. All right, see you guys. It felt so much better. Saying my intention and just giving them a gift and just, complimenting them, but not wanting anything from that was nice. And I think that was my first attempt that was actually, it felt like a genuine gift, and I was just flowing with the conversation. But yeah, like, truth be told, like, my mind went blank, but I was just happy that I was expressing myself, and this is my first day, so I can always improve. And
is it the first time you approach a girl like this during the day?
Yeah, I've never done this before.
Today? Okay.
Never done this before.
Really cool.
I've always thought, like, even with people around, I've always thought people are going to stop and be like, hey, leave him alone, or, But it's literally like, I think personally, if I saw somebody do that, I would be impressed by them.
Yeah.
I'd be like, go for it, dude.
Everyone is.
Hi. I just wanted to say, like, you look really pretty. Yeah, like, your glasses really suit you. Yeah. No, that's cool. That's cool. That looks really weird. Yeah.
Perfect fly.
Yeah. Oh, is that supposed to be a fly? Yeah, I don't know. How's your day going anyway? What are you up to today? Ah, okay. Nice. So like, I'm just like with a mate walking around Covent Garden and just like checking it out. Yeah. Did you grow up in London or in the Midlands? Yeah. How was that? And like, what? I don't know. Like, what made you move to London? Nice. Have you gone to the British Museum yet? I feel like you're giving me very like sciencey vibes.
No, actually.
Are you not? Also, are you like more into like English literature?
Yeah.
Really? All right. So I got that. Yeah. So, so did you go to university as well? Or?
I don't know. I went to university elsewhere. What about you?
Yeah. So I just finished 3 years in genetics. Hey, yeah, no problem. That interaction for me, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, part of me when I went in there, I was kind of like, dude, she's pretty, she's not gonna be receptive of me.
Okay.
And I realized as I was talking to her, at first she seemed kind of like a bit nervous, but after a while she realized like I'm just talking to her as a normal person.
You have to realize that, sometimes people give you a cold reaction, sometimes people are going to give you a really warm reaction, but most of the people, they're not sure, right?
Yeah.
And so, it's up to you to set the vibe, So either you're going to be relaxed and people, they're going to relax, or if you're anxious, then people are going to feed off of that and they're going to become anxious.
Hi. I just wanted to say, like, I thought you looked really pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no, that's okay. How's your day going?
It's good, I think, but a little bit things that is putting me now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, what happened?
It's about my dissertation. It's just.
Oh, okay, you're a uni student.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to say that your sweater looks like it really suits you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's like
that's
a starry.
the best thing I heard today.
Really? Oh, I'm glad.
Wow, that's made me feel much better now.
Yeah? No, I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'm not like going to take up loads of your time. Yeah, I just wanted to say hi. And so you're talking about your masters? Like, so is it like, are you stressed out or?
Oh, I really like London.
Yeah.
But I'm going back to China next week.
Okay.
So.
Well, listen. If you're interested, like, I would love to like grab coffee with you sometime before you leave, maybe.
It sounds good, but maybe I don't have that time.
Oh, okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, no problem. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
This conversation is the best thing of.
Really? Well, I'm glad. Like.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Alright, bye. Yeah, I'm just really happy that I saw that I was attracted to her and I like wanted to say hi to her, and I know a spur of the moment. And
you just went for it.
Yeah, I just went for it. I didn't even know what I was saying half the time, but I was surprised. I thought she was going to be kind of like, oh, I just want to be left alone. but she wasn't, and she was like, thank you so much. That's like the nicest thing that's happened to me today.
Wow.
And
She must have had a really shitty day. No, I'm kidding.
oh, dude. Ruben.
I'm kidding.
All right. Listen, I'm gonna let that slide. Yeah, I'm gonna let that slide. All right, listen, it wasn't that bad. Actually, she did kind of have a bad day, so. But yeah, man, so I was just like really surprised that it actually made her day.
That's cool.
Thank you.
Really great.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Can't believe that happened. I didn't even know that was possible. Don't get me wrong, I know I have so much to learn and so much to improve and grow. But I feel like doing this and approaching people, it really feels like the world is my oyster. I have so much to explore in the world and people to meet, Hey guys. Hi, I thought you were really pretty and I just wanted to say hello.
Thank you.
Hi.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's alright. How's your day going?
What's your name?
Habib.
Oh, it's lovely to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. What's yours? How do you guys know each other?
We work together.
Oh, really? Oh, that's cool.
I'm a teacher.
I was actually considering a job in teaching. I'm like, yes, I just finished uni.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah. No problem.
Oh,
I won't.
Nice to meet
Yeah, no problem. I won't lie. Yeah, I'm not
too long. No, it's really
that's all cool.
It takes a lot to go up to someone as well. So
Yeah, no, thank you. It's just something I'm like trying to work on, just trying to be like
Absolutely.
authentic and
Good for you.
yeah,
Good for
but
you.
yeah.
Oh, enjoy the rest
Yeah,
of your
sweet. You too. Bye. It was good. Felt the heart rate high, and I just want to say as well, like, I just feel really happy in the fact that, like, me expressing myself, I could see that it made her happy, and I feel like that is, it's changing my fear of being creepy. Hey, I thought you were really cute, so I thought I'd say hello.
Hello, thank you.
Yeah, hi. How's your day going?
Good, thank you. How's your day going?
Not bad, actually, not bad. I'm just like checking out Covent Garden for the first time.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's busy, it's crazy, there's performances, it's cool.
It's a really cool place.
Yeah. What brand you here today?
I'm literally just about to go meet my boyfriend.
Oh, really? Okay.
He's literally
cool.
calling me now.
Oh, okay, cool.
But it's really nice, thank you. Are you looking for anything in particular? Like looking for anywhere to go? Or
yeah, like have you been here before?
Yeah, a few times. I don't go there that often, to be fair. But it's a really fun place to go.
Yeah,
it's with friends?
Cool. Yeah, just with one of my friends, just like walking around and just checking out. Have you got any like suggestions on like something cool to do here?
Yeah, I mean, kind of. Depends on what you want to do. Obviously, there's loads of good food places. Yeah. Over by Waterloo, there's like a food festival going on today, which is really cool. So, yeah, just have a great time.
Okay, no, sweet. Thank you so much. I hope you have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye. I don't know, I just found it so cool, like just saying like I'm interested in you, I'm attracted to you, and completely being okay when they're saying I have a boyfriend, Like, it's so cool. I didn't know it was like this, so it's cool. I've always been too scared to do stuff like this, so, it's nice, man. No, it's more than nice, it's powerful, I feel like, honestly, I feel like Shackles are being released, and I feel like I'm getting ready to, like, date, Nice. Ready, yeah, so.
Cool. Okay, Habib, so how was today?
It was intense, but at the same time, I would say it was very liberating. Liberating, yeah. I think what today was about was, taking off the shackles, For a long time, I've been scared, even when I'm walking in the streets, to even lock eyes on another girl, Yeah, and it just showed me that it's not like you're not going to come across as a creep just because you're, being true with your intentions and admitting your intentions, like saying, hey, I thought you were cute and I want to talk to you.
Any last words?
Yeah, man. So last words would be love yourself throughout the entire process, and put yourself out there, and yeah, man, don't do yourself just an injustice because you might be an attractive person, and you might be letting yourself down by never really showing that interest to somebody, showing that desire for them to reciprocate.
Nice.
Yeah,
thank you, Habib.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us, so if you want to chat, if you want to work with me, and especially if you want to do the challenge, shoot me an email. I'm planning on coming to Washington, D.C. in 2 weeks, so if you're around, definitely let me know. That's it for today. See you next time.